Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Blink app. So in my case it's the Blink XT. It's the outdoor wireless security camera, but of course you can buy the indoor version and you will have same app. So I've been using the app for now about 1 week. I got some experience with that, and of course a lot of people say the security camera is only worth what the app or the software is capable to do. And of course this is in particular the same thing with Blink. So I start this thing here, and I have to say I'm really happy with the app. It's doing fine. I don't have many complaints with the app. The bad thing is there's no desktop version, so you cannot log into a web page and do the login and have everything like the videos. That's bad. The good thing is you can also install the app on different phones, and you log in and you will have immediately same cameras, so and same options, everything. That's really good so far. The good thing is you have a nice overview here with regarding the cameras which you have installed. Of course I have only one camera here. With the plus you can add an additional Blink camera, the XT or the normal camera. I don't have anything here. Here you can click on the camera icon and you can have live view from with the camera. I don't do that, takes too long. And you can click on the camera, photo camera on the right side, and it will make a picture and you will see it, but it takes quite some time, at least in my case. Maybe if you have better connection it will be possible to have a picture sooner. So yeah, as you can see, picture is here, but it took quite some time. So what do we have on this page? There's quite some good information. On the left bottom we see that the connection module is connected to the cloud, and I think also the camera then is connected to the cloud. The icon says connection module to cloud, but I think it's also when the camera is connected to the cloud, to the connection module and to the cloud, everything. On the right bottom it says that it's armed and you can disarm if you like. You see the camera name on top, and on the right top with this file icon you can access your footage, and when there's a yellow dot on the right top of this file icon like we have here, then it means you have new footage. So you don't have to check into detail to find out if you have new footage. With the yellow dot you will see that you have new footage. So I click on that and you will see all the videos which are new, which you haven't checked, like here. Almost brand new one. So I can click on that and it should load immediately. You can see for the first time, oh, there's a whole family. That's nice. Yeah. For the first time I see a possum family. I have just seen single opossums till now. I don't know why the camera stopped, because one of the animals is still visible. Anyway, so from here you can share. So you can see, I go back, you can download. So, and that's a good thing, it saves the movie or the video really super fast. If you have other cameras like the Cam or others, sometimes it takes really long to download the video. Here half a second or even fewer. It really doesn't take much. That's really good. And you can put the video into trash can. That's good as well. And you can you have some functionality with the video. You can move back to the previous video, move back to this video, loads really fast. and you can move from left to right inside the video, but unfortunately there's no real-time view. It has to load. You cannot move back and forth, so there's no change, only it changes when you stop moving this thing here. So what we have as well is the camera icon at the bottom. So I think that's just another icon for the live view. I don't do that. Of course we can say if we want to have sound with playback, but and we can rotate. I mean, when we tilt or flip the phone by 90 degrees, then we have full screen automatically. There's nothing, I mean, when I click on the screen, it won't do anything. Or is it, what was that? Is it zoom? Zoom in? I don't know what it did. Looks like you can zoom in. I haven't seen that. That's interesting. Yeah, you can zoom in. When you double click on that, you can zoom in. I didn't know. Yeah, okay. That's not bad. So, and I have to tell, I mean, you can see in the overview, yeah, how much storage you have used, but it's no problem when it's 99% used, because it will just override the old footage, which you probably don't want anymore because it's old. So one thing, when you click on the arrow, then it says you can auto delete clips older than 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, whatever. I mean, yeah, for me, auto delete, why would I auto delete? I mean, the storage is free as far as I know. I mean, it's automatically set to 14 days. Yeah, so why would I leave? So I recommend choosing 1 year. If you have very few motion alerts, then it's a good thing when you have maybe all the old footages available. So yeah, so definitely recommend 1 year. 1 year. I think there's no disadvantage, because yeah, when the capacity is exceeded, the old clips are being deleted anyway. So yeah, let's go back. So we have now the settings on the right top. We can see the name. We can give another name. Here we just have the given name. We see the battery. There's nothing to click on. We can click as much as we want. Doesn't do anything. Outside temperature, we can set temperature alerts, heat alert, cold alerts, yeah, why not, like freeze alerts. And we can calibrate the camera. Even when we think it's showing too hot, too cold, we can calibrate. That's a good thing. I mean, yeah, I really like that. And we can like adjust a little bit the motion detection. Of course, we can disable if we don't want to have any motion alerts. Doesn't make any sense, but yeah, maybe at some point, sometime you don't want that. There's a new beta for activity zone, so you can select the zones which you won't have to inactive. So if there's an area where you always have false alerts, like from something like somebody walking by all the time, so you can grade out, and it won't get rid of false alerts. So retrigger time, that's a good thing. So maybe I put this a little bit down, because a lot of times it stopped in my case, and the motion was still there. Sensitivity is 5 seems to be a good thing in my case, but of course depends on your needs. Clip length, I have extended it to maximum, which is 60 seconds, and I've just set this thing here to end clip early if motion stops. That usually works, but of course if an animal or somebody stops, doesn't move, yeah, the clip does move, yeah, even when the person or the animal is still in the detection area. It just stops when nobody's moving. Yeah, okay. So I mean, it's same thing if you have like non-infrared, if you have like motion detection with CCD, I mean like optical motion detection, it's same thing. If somebody stops moving, no matter if infrared or it's a normal camera, the motion detection will stop or can't notice the thing anymore. So yeah, here we have infrared illumination. I have put this on automatic, but you can turn it on, turn it off. Yeah, if you have this thing behind a window, you would definitely turn it off, but of course it won't trigger anyway, because infrared won't go through the window enough, so it won't trigger. But you can, I mean, you could just use it with live view to see what's going on. Intensity, I've been switching between medium and high. Medium seemed to be a little bit low, high seems to be a little bit high. I would like to have something in between. Video quality, I have no idea. Safer, yeah, of course. It reduces quality and extends battery life. Best, yeah, best sounds like best. Enhanced, higher video quality will reduce battery life. So I think, I mean, best. What's the difference between best and enhanced? So best, for me, it sounds like best. So, but enhanced, here, it must be better than best. So, yeah, best is best. How can something be better than best? But looks like enhanced is better than best. I will try that out. So in audio, you can enable or disable audio recording. And here we have status. That's the last communication, I think. Last update. Ah, no, that's the update. What's the update? I have no idea. Let's click on update. Maybe it just updates the temperature, or I don't know. Now it looks like it has updated whatever it has updated. I thought it's firmware update. It's not firmware update. Yeah, I have no idea. But camera to Wi-Fi, I'm still a little bit in doubt what it is. I mean, there's no, as far as I can see, there's no communication camera to Wi-Fi. There's only camera to communication module or to sync module, and there's a communication from the sync module to Wi-Fi. So this explanation here doesn't make any sense. I mean, the camera to sync module, yes, but the camera to Wi-Fi doesn't make any sense. But anyway, I'm still usually at the blue range. I have the sync module at the window, and it's about 80 feet distance from the camera to the sync module, and about 60 feet, maybe, yeah, no, not so much. Maybe 50 feet from the sync module to the Wi-Fi. So that's looks like that's about the maximum range where you have stable connection or a blue connection. But you can go lower. I had it on yellow when you go when you have more distance. So the communication level, the signal strength will go down to 2, which is already yellow, or to 1. In one case, it was showing 1 bar, and the communication was still reliable, and that was about 110 feet communication module at the window. Close to a window, and of course the Blink XT outside. And here we have delete button. We can click on the delete button, which we don't do that, which we don't do of course at the moment. Yeah, so that's about it. I think I have covered now almost everything. I mean, that's from 1 week experience. I haven't checked everything. I mean, if you want to see footage, I mean, if you are here and you want to see footage from the day, I can show you footage from the day, because the other thing was footage from the night. Yeah, we don't need that. So here maybe we can see something moving. Yeah, not too much. It's a little bit difficult. Maybe this thing was a little bit better here. Yeah, that's a squirrel really close. Yeah, I think it looks like it shows everything quite clear, no matter if it's close or in a far distance. So that's good. And the video quality, which I had on best, is quite good. But I don't know if enhanced is even better, but I expect that it will be better. But of course, I will have to check. Maybe I'll make another video where I compare the three qualities. I will do probably at same yeah, like on the day and during the night. I will make 3 videos each from 3 different qualities, and I will show you what's the difference is. So that's about it for the moment. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.